Nigeria for them try. No more share. Phone about Ghana ni ho. Say 5 million. Nigeria ni beto am be say 3 million. Dabi. Omo kwai. Omo ni ba bia akọ. Omo kan ho ne enso man no.
Obi anko ni krom. Nti wo ho abra na bedu nkontomre. No nso nko di na eba.
Ghana for no omu di ma sha wo bo no ansa na Nigeria for no ba.
Just say Ghana for. E do pa mo ni kunkun Ghana for no wa no bend.
We suppose so omo kom krom. No krom krom.
Se Ghana ni o current dan ya mfa mo ko so nkite sika. But ohoho no de on nim na dwuma a wo ye. Se Ghana ebi ne so ba ya mete he sei. Ohoho no hyedam mu bi nim adwuma wo ye. Nsu sika ne ye den betua. E na ye bi
ko Ghana for ni ensifo. Oti Ghana for omo ensifo pa uko ayi ya frade say. Second Nigeria for ni go no. Enema na Ghana for ton no. No be na Nigeria for ton. Omo ton nema na no be kuku ba bi no mo ton na bode. Ye nko ne sa. Mo ton nema na mo ton na bode ma ye. Mo se Nigeria for no ko. Enso nema na mo ko fa Nigeria no na ma be na mo ko fa. Are ahia for ne yempe won ha. Omo ko.
Medafo Adepa TV so enie. Eye na no mementa. Ena ekuo bi a ye frɛ wo mo Ghana First wo mo edit demonstration chenchirenchen ehhehye so ewo eye circle Accra na wo mo su a wo mo su nyina ene sɛ kamea kwese Nigeria for ya age Ghana aboso na eye ahyawo bra ene nneema bi a ensem fata no Nigeria for ene edimu hene omo na eye ne kese ne senti no aban empam wo mo saa de course so demonstration na se nyina no akosi aboaje wa donko me de be somo e wa Adepa TV eso na ene ye tietia wonten abisa amanfo se aso wo ye Ghana ni na mesoma ye Ghana ni ye fo aso se Nigeria fo nko mu krom na wo mo enkoto ade mo ye bia so e wo honom na se wo fo aso kra na e de ene reasons me therefore Mamin kan for tap send and farm mouse so send this cake from on and they are born my Ghana will tap send ever boy yan kasa what they are beyond the several poster and as a play store now waka download tap send in process or maybe say promo code no about the party be a day I shall one see I see a fire transactional yen to she name me best number bonus at the account because for the party via wabo a day I shall one me didn't be a posia boajawa don't call yen see some amount for worker. It
depends on what they are doing.
But also,
it depends on what they are doing. So, I don't know what they are doing. I know say they are doing business. As will be able to be a that's what I know they are doing. If I'm be before for that, I don't know.
Okay. So I think I'm say a shower. Can I say mama rent boy day na day anything I mind almost sake.
It's a general thing.
Okay.
Ashawo, wherever you go, there's Ashawo there. The Nigeria one penny Ashawana. Second of one will be Ashawo.
Okay.
So what are you talking about? In a rent, no, and we are saying Ghana heading, no. A general thing, baby heading. Ghana brutally baby heading. You get it. All you have to do is to know what you are doing and where you are going. You understand? So what if Ghana for Ghana for Nigeria? You see, you shouldn't only think about yourself. You understand? So because your prostitution. In Nigeria, in Ghana. And prostitution and Ghana for pen and Nigeria for pen Ghana for Suyebi. You get it. Into Ghana for major prostitution. You get it. So it doesn't make sense. Of course, because what will it change? It wouldn't change anything.
Who here some the cop? Say Ghana for Nigeria for be no more hania so munye be born in be there. Say Ghana for Nigeria, say Nigeria for so. See nja o.
No mantina. Maybe we say ashawo na do so am say Ghana for so so.
Ashawo di ado so pa.
Ya mo say Ghana for so so ashawo.
Ghana for no be ashawo na oye ne drink so bebo oye dey obedo. Sinya Nigeria for na mo ashawo. O ma na ebo ashawo.
To me need me just in a situation I na entimin can say yeah because we should also look at a point say yen ko for ni bin so ye den e wo mo memu enti se ye ka say yi omefri ye man mu a e dey oha beba because in other ways no looking at yen Ghana for so ye mu I mean citizens in so Nigeria for me to say no, every crown Sandy Panusu ye Jumanes so Nigeria. Yes, into no. Yes, even though it's not good, say be a prostitution, no. Juma, Rebecca say Juma, but we can't say a no thing. Yeah, Pamu me free Ghana. Now almost Mukron, almost Mukasamo, Pamo, almost so yeah, poor for his Abagana. So I mean, a bit hard dream because almost no Sikabe no more. Amodebe immigrating as back to our country. Yeah, and to me, no, in general, and I don't think it's necessary to say a more massa. I'll come back. Yeah.
Pamone, dear, I don't support someone Pamon because most of them say I am Brasima foreign Biambe, Bojo Ghana. It's based on that, no, so Omunja Bojo no they are fine because the other foreign nationals or more good and legit businesses are around. So in some way, they are fine because then they are not here. So aside that one, I don't think they do hold more or in a right way. It's an issue. In some way, they are fine. They have the right to, say I'm Pamo, but other ones in the angel because we got different countries. Ghana phones or home here, the same businesses in the home. Almost waiting about only someone yet, they are man, they wish on Quadia.
Now, I'm about a show on the day. I'm Ghana for man and member when you have a pants. I'm about a show. I'm Ghana for Susie.
So, no more a job for no Ghana. The concern is not raising it. I am Pamum in some way because I didn't have a private business. Bam. I'm buying and give you so I'm pretty nice. Can't go in. Yes, I can be and I'm putting for us account because we don't judge none. Please phone and California around, but they pass by each and every day, and it's an issue. In Panifon Mujima, it can be solved, not the Pam or more.
Oh, no, Montana bed. And now, no, Mondo, wait to my I
shall Nana.
I'm saying, say, Nigeria for no, Mondo, Majuma. Don't forget about
so Nigeria, that's all Nebujo Jana, it's your Ghana run. Say, we are my friend, you're about to make Ghana for the end, because I know Ghana for the then it's Yamra. But Obano be invested as the branches of Krumba invested huge. Not just Bojo Ghana for 9 days, okay. But we on ye Doya Bojo Jana, and you're also Pamon.
I'm beside the India almost almost say, Pronona also a shower near their day into a Moko Mukru. It's also supporting.
Idiot, the American is a woman to a move. Some to for no more cosora yes, Adia, and your more who can say, Pam woman, for money to a normal, share, to a mufu. Said dear Ghana ha, Sanya Manu, yes, Sanya Manuaha. Mamu by Yama way, almost 20 mom, way, waiting a year pump. Didn't see a yes and moon con. Samuba Jay, number Nasi. I was to dream out Sanya Manu and Kosubium dia, and the Yabeja Matina. But some best also I Sanya Manadia. Any dear, you want who can say, who can say, your palm or moko. And Hemisus Margarina, we watch it.
Mammy, see a case of Monqua. They are so Ghanaian for the Bisu on Nigeria. Into the bus, and I quite say, Chichimunia de Banity, a Pamo, and an Amoa. No Munina. Once they are money for woman, and so no Munana. A bonny, into young funny say, no money antra.
You're Nigeria for Nina.
No money antra.
Okay, no, I must say, a shower door. Some may say Ghana for so wash shower pennies and it's on my yard.
Oh, sir, I shall bland idiot. So, by ya, and ya deal between the home. I share a Juman Musso Nigeria for nature. And then Nigeria for nature. Ghana for Nankas and gets episode Nigeria for to the sense of other countries, Biana, sir. Omo bossa shall bland a bio. Now almost no to make us say almost promo for one on bossa, they had more to coin no bossa until Ghana for man so to quite other country, almost almost bossa bland a bio. Into Nigeria for nature.
Okay. Yeah, yes, we are quite Nigeria.
Yes, money, you so tray, Palani.
I believe there's a case and you are sorting out already.
They'll be sorting out.
I remember the Foreign Affairs Minister meeting the Nigerian Foreign Affairs Minister also. They talked about things like that, and it was established Nigeria for no, they are not going anywhere. But I don't know, say if an issue has risen against
Nano memenda ya Hassan Ayarega and guys be or mobile demonstration then Hassan Ketwaka.
Into your so monko.
I saw
Oh,
it's also supporting.
No monko.
What
document answer.
Okay.
But I'll come in at least they should know their boundaries and then stay. Because here in Africa say to me, we are still slaves to the white people. So if you bet me idea one just say you cabo me abako. You know, I come in they should know that they are in somebody's land. And if you are in somebody's land, you need to behave accordingly.
Okay.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was saying this cabane de awie project no. Eso de bia me office ka ma ne wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chirani say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who UK CCA. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet woso. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no. Anase mpo obetimi atususu nkakra. Enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no. No anse wa send sika na ba Ghana. Anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no no. Tie.
And you said to say you use momo Ghana hey no.
Sa pepe. Se si tap send that trena shim. Kopium go United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap sender now. Papa no.
Who say Hassan Ayarega. I dare say one in the month, no, or more demonstration. It's here Nigeria for so long. If it's so, what so professor Nigeria for uncle, and now, didn't you?
Oh, say, me professor Nigeria for uncle, but, and yes, say, say a pamom just like that. Young funny, I'm been to a young fa policy be say be a Monqua, and quite say a pamom just like that. You should be and fam rabbin to or say, or be a say, a Juma or Bagana, and over Juma, we near who say, really, say no, and quite will be a bit tears sim keke. Or in fact, and there I can say, Pomkana mad dime boy, the Ghana. Go Nigeria, you born a boss, yeah. Busu ka 2005 for Obetia. But within a short time, no, your area part no call. It's only count a man dying boy debate. Say, on the bar, young fuck can be so young penny maru, okay. Siciano, oh, bar. Say, you must now by a young fat right channel. Me as will be on to keke. Because some of you, a Jumaya or Moya, you may come back on I am more. What I say, intermediate means for us to say, on course, but medium is almost quite but. Yen say a pamu be just like that, but young far policy be no kind be show. Young farm ran to a quam movie and away, so Obana, why you never seen I was saying.
Okay. Nurse, I want to make to a see ya. Now, would your own pesek, I better say a pamu, when we have farm run who cares. If I'm
say, this idea, because we are will be marshal. Yes, ye movie, you see Nigerian papa. Maknawa until Mr. Bassa give you one course and a high. Young fan can be so, them rabbi name fan yet, and I think it's a boy. When Nigeria, the nearby countries, young quay say quite a town for that. Young family council, name fine for Pepe. I think say very okay.
I'm not in support. Say Nigeria phone call. Why? Because there are Ghanaians also living in Nigeria. Say yes, Anna. We are bringing the whole lot of chaos. More fight or don't know. Ghana ha no, ya emra or Ghana ha. So this is the time for yemra no. I say to me, ye friend say ye nyana no na emra no eye adwuma. And the Bible say this is the time for us to to create some documents. Here we should give all the foreigners, not only
Nigerians. Every foreigner, be our bahano, is to be creative document man. Baby or shebiano, we can have the access on that person. So Oye Bonea, you to my channel. So this is the time for us to do that thing. The police should arise. Then we should create some card. Document every foreigner, whether from Guinea, Ivory Coast, wherever, all part of Africa, Obano, and some paper. Just say, oh no, who are Ghana? What is it? So I'm not. I don't support say Nigerians should go. What I say? I mean, we should create some document for the card be at every foreigner. And the Mr.
Like Nigerians should go back to their country. This question is quite it's quite heavy for an immigrant to go back to the country. It depends on reason. Yeah, so maybe the reason why they have to go back to their country might be with first security. If we feel like we are insecure with them in the country, then they have to return.
That's what they are saying. They are saying that we are insecure with them, so they have to leave our country for us.
Every country needs security for its citizens. So if that is the reason why, then I think the government can assess every Nigerian in the country based on what they are doing here, their activities. If the activities that they are into in the country is not secured for us, then I think it wouldn't be all of them, but quite a number. Yeah. So they have to do a lot of investigations before they can make decisions on that. Because we also have Ghanaians over there. And we will not say that Ghanaians over there are legally there doing legal business. You know, there are other Ghanaians who are doing legal business in Nigeria.
Okay.
So this decisions they have to be critical. They have to think about it.
Ghana for ya kwadro. Sa yo e ka so mo oji o madwuma, nya so mo oji o madwuma.
Okay.
Adwuma de wo ho. Wo yiro wo ho sa wo be ya nyame be hira wo. Na mo atimi aye dai aye. Na obi nso aye dai aye ne de. Emfo wani nkosi obi so se wo no oji wa adwuma. Na nso wo don sa hye dem from Bible say nsa nya adwuma me nidi. Enti so no be ya adwuma na obedidi nho ade a. Ye nya no nya adwuma. No ni didi a enya ni se ombe kunkum nipa na se bia ombe ye bone yesem na se obi o ho na adwuma ye fan a ode ye adwuma de a ye nya no nya na se ye hu se adwen bone wo trimu de a ende ne ama wo ye de ekọ okudum.
Okay, na se wo de wo njintum se ye mpam
o de mo mpam so ye o man na ye boy no nyame nyame man ene ode obi aba bedu ene obi a wo ba bi ho tra na asom ye de ebedwom obi o ho a wo nukrom nso na asom nyo no enti oba ha no hu se na asom bedwo no obeye discipline no aye dey watra ha na ono wodi nsawoso ebi mbokura benya adwen aye dey afiri ne nchen ono so benya adwen afiri nchen na ye move forward se ye dey a man ye dey a ye beja ho akọ.
Okay.
Nti opam obi an.
Okay. Na amafo say kama kwese Nigeria for man no ahya wo no adults na say Ghana for man susu no.
Eno de suban no ena ese ye hwe na say ye we say ye wo mla wo man mu say ye mo sa ade no enso ye mpanimfo ni nim nti se wo nim obi se wo bo a na ese wo ye de wo chi na wo de ne family akwan so nti so de ne family akwan so na wo ye de wo hu se mla wa ha obejai fi se first no mbokra no na mi hu se niema no beble enso se de adoso nti no ende omo bo pa nti na ese ye mla na ye hyemu din ese sa ade no ye mpe wo man yi mu enti ese ye de ye enti ye chi o ma na ye do ma family akwan so na ye mo ma hu se emla ye de e wa fi se sebe omo ko obi close a omo se mla wo omo di mla no so flinchem ade na ha de ye ja omnom ye ho basa eno ni ade ha
mama wa kwa ba famba de party bi so atramindase ya se bisane se ya de se Ghana for omo ye demonstration pa na no memenda omo de bi hye so a omo chemi se Nigeria for mfiye man monko oye Ghana ni o support sa
omo wa hade aye bata shawo na ambo no de eno de mini omo nya de mi pe
but omo ha we okay
omo wa ha obi mu ye good enyo mu nyina na obi mu ye good se bebre so ya me customers for ba shawo no de
say no because say be a good be your customers never say buying pamo more. How will you feel?
Many choice dear.
Okay. You'll be okay with it.
Yeah.
Matimida son you
to me that was it.
And I am Ghana for near C4. Oti Ghana for me C4 pa a year Friday saying second Nigeria for go and never now Ghana for ton and no been a Nigeria for ton. Almost ton never no be no ton about the young connoisseur. Muto ne mana muto na bode man mo se Nigeria for no ko so ne mana mo ko fa Nigeria no mara bi no ko fa are ya nko ne sa o Ghana ye enye yesa eno de me Nigeria for no tena ha no mo hwe phone na obeto Ghana ni ho se 5 million Nigeria ni beto ama be se 3 million dabi omo kwai omo ni ba bia akọ omo na kan ho ne enso man no Ghana for bi etwem yankugu Nigeria ye suban na de ba
okay, let's say maybe a chama you go Nigeria no ya yesu
ban na dey buy me na me ka kire o me say na me so kete yesu ban na dey buy
daddy yesu ban ni bi se dey
eh Ghana ni baba Nigeria ja ahonfe me na me ka kire o yesu ban ya ewo musa bia se nko wiya cast ba Ghana nye bi ko wiya cast ba Ghana na Interpol for chesi Ghana for are yesu ban
okay na daddy me te wase ya Ghana for ni asisifo
bam
na yanka se suban so nye
me say adwuma me repair TV because ogole ya de Nigeria ni beto ama me Ghana ni ton ama me sa koto spare pass TV nyama ya TV Nigeria for no ton man Ghana ni be 2 times are da menti ase nti omo Ghana for na ma ye ni ede o abrabo omo sisi ya dodo
nti wo de uji tum se ma Nigeria ni ko
da Nigeria ni bia nko ba bia omo ntra ha omo ntra no mu ni omra so se papers na wo mo ye na se omo kita bibia January omo ntra so wie ho ba bia ba ntra wo so badwo no tra wa no wa ye ho abro ho ase no man na yina ye koso
okay daddy now me say amafo say ka say kame akoye say Nigeria for ashawofo no omo adoso am say Ghana food ni
ashawofo ne yempe ho ha omo ko ya kire won fa yemfa won ko me de me nya shawi ni me mpe shawi kura ba nti omo ko ya mo de yempa won but omo ye business ni de omo ntram omo ko
pa hunim me wo me reason me ngina obi asem so me wo me reason se Ghana ni o current dan yemfa mo because unkite sika but ohoho no de on nim na dwuma wo ye se Ghana ebi ni so ba ya me te hese oho no hyedem obi nim adwuma wo ye nsu sika ne ye den betua ena so ne omutifie nso a ema no mo mpapra o feel say rent no otua ye no bibia hye mu bi nti edura praso a ompra untwitwi omo ye nkofo wo mo ye timi sasantini ka timi a ase o show so o person show so nti me daddy yesi wi onso mo benom sanwa oba no benom san o dane ne ho no okita ne ka na wotwitwe bia ma na banani so anu na ofu insana o atiti so ofu no inse so obekọ nanim adane ne ho no onye eheya wabro ne insana wie no obeya ade adane ne ho obehu ase mepo no panyan won tiamu mani mfi woda na watu ani no ko omu ade nti obeya won se masesa aboba de agu last week esimisa komene bako anya asem keto nti omu ye nkrofo won se Ghana ni nso no ye ya ohema we de nti ye dwo ba omu no omu mu hwehwehwehwe nti media meta omu achi demonstration no meka ho bi omu nko
next time omu kwa ya obedu mechi
obi tese mi na media ni mu kita bana no obi anko ni krom na ye nhwe de obewe abosia obi anwe abosia nti omu nko omu krom omu fu so omu ye ayi wo ho ye nso ye tie krom nti wo ho abra na bedu nko ntomre no nso nko di na eba nti no die nka metumi shop mu aka ho na me libiti fie na bi renti ye fie me ex husband no bi renti fie me ba 8 years obi za kra send telephone number ye send akra 8 years number no Crown Prince me ba no telephone number ye send before God and man yes nye friend Idrisu okacha mba ni send telephone number ye send na kwa ni disu eba ebeka chem say akwa ni bisa ne send telephone number sen me ankasa na me frɛ no na Thursday na mka chem so unim se me dware me ba na me hu se na se etia me kum na me de me ho ama police na police for de me ato me ankasa me yo ho adwuma na fe me ame de me ho akoma police ma nti wo be hye fom na me makoda mu wonsa me kum me ka chem me kum se me manage no sikenti oje no de nanka how dare you say wo fie wura ba kola mfie nwotwe o ka cha kola ni say ni telephone number yesem me ka sa no me ka sem ni che ni Thursday Monday pepepe no true ye nti so wa ma wani anya den wa mu hu amfanya misuru anka ho a ombe twa fa so to say the track e twifa tikuso
but ebi mo so ke say Nigeria for Ghana for na pese ye mpejuma ye mpebre ti Nigeria for no ebe ye adwuma ye so mo gi ye adwuma ne ade
ye pebre Ghana for ye pebre na nsan ya na asede enema bi koso asese bi o maiwe ebi nheda mpa adwuma sa so Ghana for ye pebre ye pe adwuma no mo asem ne say cheso no wanya bedru ha no odi bibi kitwa bi ebe ase alatafo odwa den na ode na dodo na nso egu internet iso a omuyi omu adwuma dodo na egu internet and the whole world say skyber say skyber de ben say den no enyom na omu dikan na yenga na fonso yenso ye to so nti omu de me see demonstration no edu anka mon kan tremi no free dikan na to me shupu mo dikan obi anko ya bre ni atiti ni adwudwu ye tie mamu without omono ni ete ha nti wonso bi wo ho abra na omo nso free hanko
Nigeria for the Ghana for all the people on there. The manager said the Ghana for do pamo ni kunkun Ghana for no no bende. And the mama Ghana for in Ambrasa. Ya pamo. Se mama Ghana for na amba. Na mo de Mosako kan. Na won sha say kunkun Ghana for na mwende. Nti di ni nyasem what?
Okay, na say daddy who slow Nigeria for so how make my Ghana for ne bone.
Me slow Nigeria ni. Se o be me there. Nigeria ni betimi abaye bi o me man mo. That be any possible.
Make us say bia who slow ma wo mo.
One there. Me dream one no, just me slow. Me dream one no. Say Ghana ni wo ho dey be me ya. Enti wo be you bi wo ha. Then no be me Ghana ni bibi wo ha. No adwen ho.
Tina say omon twema Ghana for na mo ho no mo bedu.
Ya pese ye pamo a ye ma Ghana for no mra na fe. Won we ha ndi Ghana ni bi ani wa. Obi be de ababe bo nti mo akun.
So no tell me me Nigeria ni. Sa. Me Nigeria ni but I say Martina ho da. What I say me Ghana ni be full 100% Ghana ni. Ba Martina ho. And to me mbane say omobe pam say ombeka say ombe pam Nigeria for because of ashawo for ne doso. Because French for so ha Gabon, Cameroon, way for no so Africa's for ha omo fra and akasa ebi wo betumi am say we oye Nigeria ni ba so ebi na enye Nigeria na kasa na wote keke ebi na Africa Gabon wa betina Nigeria wa so Nigeria kasa no o behave it so mo enti no so ye be ye ne den enti ne pa ko potia mo ha adwen no anka ye betumi apamo mo a problem bi ene ho
okay enti no di kan say Nigeria fo nyina say ye pam wo mo nyina but at least mo ye hu so mo ha adwen.
Yeah.
Yeah,
because ye chrome uko Nigeria Ghana for ho. All the African country obekwa Ghana for ho. What you say? All the country obekwa no Ghana for ho. Sana Ghana ha no Nigeria for ha. Sana uko Cameroon so Ghana for sana oba ha so omo so ho. Ba nepa na ye be ho so omo ha adwen no ene se omo mayenko omo ko ana fie ra bi obe ho se bibi se tu fie nepa bi se tu fie a o di problem ba no ese wo manenko wo report a yetume manenko ana se area a owo a mo hwe se we or ha adwen no obetumi amanako.
Right now, no, Ghanaians are doing demonstration. They are asking the government to sack all the foreigners from this country. Since you are a foreigner, are you agree with them? Will you agree with them?
So I can say yes, I can say not. Why I said yes? Because You see, a lot of foreigners, all of them, some are bad, like some are good. We can't say, if you are a foreigner like me, I'm a bad foreigner, you are a good foreigner, but me, I'm a scammer. Example, I'm a scammer. But the way I did, or the way I will do, can affect you. That's why I said yes. Do you understand? But I said no. Why I say no? I say no because African, we are one. Even if I come from South Africa or to another country, but we are African. Do you understand? For me, it's very important for all of African become one for me. But because of the bad person, the bad foreigners who made the bad things in the country where they are not born, you see, sorry for my Basabasa English like I said, but it's very important for the government to take all of the precaution about the bad foreigners. Because if the government follow all of the bad foreigners, but they will sack all of the foreigners. You understand?
Yeah.
Example in my country. Now, can I take one example, please?
Which country are you from?
I'm from Gabon. Yes, I'm a Gabonese. From now, for instance, in Gabon, the government said from the small commerce. I don't know the name in English very well, but for the seller who sell the small things in the road, in the area, like toffee, like a small cake. You see, the Gabonese government said for that area only from the Gabonese citizen can exercise it. Do you understand? Yeah. But it's good, but it's not good too, because we live with the foreigners, and then the foreigners made this work before the Gabonese people start to sell out. Do you understand? Yeah. But if today we said we don't want to see the foreigners to do this work, that work, it will affect the Gabonese people, because the Gabonese people doesn't know that work. When you will start, when we start to work on it, it will be difficult to us because of what? We don't have the patience, we don't have a lot of mind about these things. Yeah. Do you understand? That's why it's very important to know rich foreigners are good, rich foreigners are bad. Okay. The bad foreigners instantly just...
So you are saying the government should bring a policy that will guide the foreigners so that he can know the bad people and the good people, right?
Yes.
What he said that he said if we have a good foreigner, we have bad foreigner. The same way we Ghana, we have a good people. We got some of people they are good, some of people are bad. Okay. You understand? We treat people say Mensa will be a fee. Yeah. But any foreigner you will see that he want to disturb or is disturbing the area, then we let the person know. That is what he's saying. Okay.
And then for Andy, I'm new here in Ghana. This is my first year. Okay. Since I came here in Ghana, I never speak English before. I never understand ni write or anything in English. But today, I can explain myself, even if I don't have a good word, but I try to speak and then explain what some people ask to me to do it. Yeah.
So see a crown from the idea crown. Mamma is a crown, which now I have been crowned. In 3 years, a one. At the same time, one may dine so white. Because you see, I have Ghana for a crown. You call youth for maybe uncle, with me, a down current, with me, 6 months and I say 1 year. By Omontino, Luciano, Ukokrana, or 2 years. 3 years, almost no more tree. Also, now we had more harm. When you scare out the witches at 2 years, also the massa
Nigeria no ya ye di ekrum kra ye nye no said ye pe baby baby I dem cramp enye nti ye support so mo ko mkru pacha
I said dan rent no ne other way no na ama wo support so mo ko
pacha no mo ye basa so okru na ade nso onu so ka ho
baby so ka say Nigeria for no Ghana for an kasa ye mpebre nti ne yesu say Nigeria for agi adwuma ne ade ono mo ya
Yempebre say ni say.
I say yempebre like a juma no ho pass ye nye ha page ma Nigeria for be ya so magi ejuma.
Oh, adwuma na bi wo wa ye be ye.
Okay.
Adwuma be isi a wan na be ka say bi o tran odin session ni nantem so on ye adwuma. E bi wo wa ye be ba Nigeria for ni nti so adwuma no so krampo no omo ma yen ye. Ghana ni ba ma we no ni krom ni no ba ma Nigeria ni. So so ka na yen ye adwuma yen no.
Oma yede na wo se moko.
Oh, so mo say nearby Krono no, Ashawo no, Adoso, no mo sa na jige ju.
Won se edu bebi na Ghana. Be se etesi mo no. Ghana for ko Nigeria ho. Amu ko tina ho, obi mu ko tina ho bobla ma, omo yeye de Ghana ha. Nti no mo so mo ababa na koye ma mo ho. Na mo so na de na teni na mo so mo yede o ma ba ha nje ni kwa se ka mo yede ye ma mo ko mo so mo tina ha so I say krono no de obi abo krono no bi but the met can say Ghana your security for police for mo boban e wo ha nti wo ya de ti wa de ko tum so I say nje ni kwa se pa mo Nigeria ni Ghana de ba ku e ti se ntafo nti sa na ti
se ni kwa se pa mo
enu kwa se pa mo
mo ye demonstration or mo njai no
mo ye demonstration senti
so mo ka kira aban se aban e mo na mo pa mo
da be ni we ya sa amu nyina ni party say ya mo ti say ya
se nipa di bone e pamo obi dia wo so wo pamo nipa akro no se time no Nigeria for apamo Ghana for e buy na Jerina e ko for mo buy se won se si a o ma ba ye man mu dia wo se awowo ba okuro mu dia se won di bone nko a dia uni right say obe papa mo na debi awowo na chichiri ekuro mu omo na ombe ton ade mo e de amamo enti won di bone e mu hu say won ya hwe e dia wo be pamo mo dia won na to me the
Bobo say Nigeria for Ashawo no
se se Ghana for so Ashawo for
okay
Ghana for so mu ba Ashawo ana wudi efie bia na so ho ana ebo enti Ashawo de e wo tete
tonight say Nigeria for na e chere Ghana for
Ghana for na de bo Ghana for no omu di Ashawo bo no up to the extent say answer na Nigeria for no ba who said you want na nanka area na wote dia wo dia me ma wo say brahat say 12 o'clock ma won kita mobile phone na o magina wo be wu Ghana ni agina ha wo be wu Nigeria ni so agina ho wo be bisa say we ye Ghana ni ana we ye Nigeria wo be wu say omuina omaye ade no to the combine omujina jina ho obi ye na adwuma ara wa enti media de me fa Ashawo ni enti media de we de o be ma for akono de enye kra
tonight say we hia say be pam
o montina ya
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo say ni sika bane de awie ni project no eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send ye easy fast and secured way ubetimi asend sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa a wo be ne say
kire ne say won ko App Store na Play Store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esan say tap send e the good news aba tap send the dwene ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
ah no be ne say
so your customer wo UK sisi a ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo ubetimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase uba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepe se si tap send that trena shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no